Hi, I'm Janusz, and in this video I will show you how to create your own trust marks in a few minutes. Reassure your website visitors and potential customers about issues they might have regarding safety and credibility with simple, easy to create trust mark badges. Insert the badges where visitors are more likely to have doubts and win them over simply by incorporating trust marks. When visitors see that your website is verified safe, they will be more at ease about buying from you. Increase customer trust and your conversion rates by up to 14%. Designed to be placed in specific conversion areas such as contact forms, basket, etc., the trust marks let visitors know that the actions such as filling out a form, logging in, or checking out are safe. They are small but noticeable enough so it does not disturb the website visitors by browsing through your website. There are a lot of trust mark badge types to choose from for different concerns, for example secure checkout, secure form, free shipping and more. You will surely find the ones that best suit your business and website. Here is how to create trust marks for your website with just a few steps. After logging into your Trustindex account, click on the Widget Configurator menu and select Trust Marks. First, you will have to select the widget layout for the trust mark. Currently, there are 11 different badges you can choose from. These are Certified Secure, Secure Checkout, Secure Form, Secure SSL, Secure Login, Issue Free Orders, Spam Free, Free Shipping, Exceptional Support, Exceptional Customer Service, 30-day money-back guarantee. For the best results and maximum trust, we recommend using at least 3 trust marks, for example, placing secure login near your website's login form, placing secure checkout and/or 30-day money-back guarantee at the end of the ordering process near the basket, placing issue-free orders on product pages. With these badges displayed on your website, your customers will be more at ease and trustful of your business. It's this easy to boost your conversion rates. After selecting your desired trust mark, you will be taken to the style editor to modify the appearance and language of your trust mark badge. You will also see the criteria for each trust mark listed here. To use the badges, your website has to meet their conditions, such as your domain not being blacklisted. When you are happy with your trust mark, click on Save and Get Code in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, copy the source code and paste it into your page. We hope you liked this video and found it easy to set up your own trust marks. If you would like to get to know more about Trustindex's other features, then sign up for our free 20-minute workshop where our expert will show you why Google reviews are important for your business success, how to rank higher on Google Maps and search results with the help of reviews, how to manage your online reputation with the Trustindex system, modern automatic solutions for review management, and how to collect 15+ new reviews every day. Book your workshop appointment on the dashboard of your Trustindex account.